going on, traders? This is Fred from Royce Investments. In this video, what I want to do is show you the indicator I created called the RI Kelts. Now this is a multi-time frame Keltner channel. You can add it to any time frame you want, and you can make the Keltner any time frame you want. So what I like to do a lot when I'm day trading is use the 2-minute chart, like you all know I like to use. And I like to use it with the 5, 15, and 30-minute Kelts. Now right here you got SPY up. This is one of my favorite things to trade throughout the day. I got SPY up with 5-minute Kelts on there. Now what you do, if you don't know a whole lot about Keltner channels, it basically shows you support resistance levels, and then it's got a mid-range Kelt going through there. So you have your mid right here, this blue line, and then you have your top of the Kelts and the bottom of the Kelts. Now, Keltner channel is real simple. When you're inside the Kelts, you know, you're just bouncing around. You're waiting to find out if one breaks out or breaks down. So I like to use the 5 minutes up here. If you're just playing this right along, you can see it bounces right off the mid at open, rejects the top, comes all the way down to the bottom, supports the bottom, hits this mid and breaks it, but it can't quite break out to come back to the top to test that area again. Just kind of flirts along, going sideways along that mid before it finally breaks down, and then we start to break out of the Kelts. Once you break out, you're going to be looking for a rejection level of that bottom, and then it just continues down hard once it has that, because it could have easily broke back in, but we rejected and just decided to fall down. The other thing is, the nice thing about using these 5s is look at this slope. These things are just both angled down hard. So that thing angling down gives us a little bit more confidence into taking this play shorter and keep going and holding that put action play. So it keeps falling and then comes down to the previous day's close before it finally gets it. But the other thing that you can watch is by taking these and moving them to different time frames. We got our 15-minute Kelts, and then we got our 30-minute Kelts. Now what happens? Right there on that big drop, we come all the way down, and we support ourselves at that 30-minute bottom, the previous day's close. Now if I was taking this play and I was going short on this thing, I'd be looking to see a bottom. We got our 30 bottom, we have our previous day's close right there. This could be a big reversal area, which I think I called out in chat the other day about. This could be an area that we're gonna get some reversal on. It was just before close because we had a short day on Friday, but it was a very good bottom area to take this to go back long again, just for a quick scalp to close out the day. But you can see where that higher time frame bottom of the Kelt catches it before it finally pushes it up. So just a real simple indicator to use. Just, you know, give yourself some support and resistance level throughout the day. The other cool thing is to use it on higher time frames. I like to sometimes go into the 4-hour looking for swing trades. So you got your 4-hour. Now what I want to do is you got to go to something higher. So if I'm at 4, I'm going to be looking at daily or weekly Kelts. So really cool right there. You just go through it and you want to find areas that it's at. Like right now, shop. Shop is at the top of this Kelt. So I'm going to be looking, if I was to want to play shop, I'm going to be looking to see if we can break out this 1044 area, or if we're going to reject it and come back inside at this 1029 area. So those are two areas I'd be looking to go long or short on this thing. So it's just a really neat little thing to use on this. We got Starbucks. You can see Starbucks came out, broke out of it, and like I said, you break out of that, you usually get a push. We come down, we support it. So you could have took a play right here for a swing trade right here. You're looking at those support levels, comes down supports, and right now we're just cruising along the top of that daily Keltner channel. Let's go through a couple more. You got Roku. Roku is completely busted out of the daily Kelts. Just really neat indicator to use for support, resistance level. Good and easy to use for swing trading. Like QCon you got here, breaking down inside it. So simple indicator to use. Just got to mess around with it. And remember, whatever time frame you're on with your candles, you always want to go to something higher on the Kelts. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.